Hi guys, I've rebooted on this very old system, and it does make sense to continue our lesson, so to speak, because everything is fine, right? Update has been taken care of, but so many things have changed in the past, and this is it. This could be the end, and you'll have a fine system. It's going to work. Everything that's here is going to work, but do an poll. And then you know why I'm making the video. So it seems there's a lot more going on. So we could explain all of that to you as well. First of all, I'm going to use Tunar to go to the file system, to go to etc, to go to pacman.conf, and do the right thing, in the sense that this guy needs to come before Arch. Why? See it as Photoshop, the layers. When you use layers, you're watching down like God, down to earth, and the first thing you come across is the repo testing, but it's not used, right? Plain text, tip, forever and ever. This is used. Colors are used. Black is not used. So he'll find the repo of ArcoLinux, he'll find the repo of third party. Why I'm explaining all of that? Because he wants to build this from, AUR. We have a package repository. It's there. Tell Pacman, don't do this, do that. First get the packages in from ArcoLinux repo, and then later on. So let's see what happens if I update the system now. Nothing to do. Let's have a look. Spotify, I'm pretty sure we have that, but we have a third party, and we have the other one, the extra large. There are things that can't go on GitHub, and that's why we ask you guys to donate, because we are buying a seed host server for everything that's big, and everything that's nice, everything that's the tools that are nice are big. So we're missing here one of the repositories. Oh my god, right? Where will I find it? Well, often I say, guys, it's all online. Trust me, it is all online. So a Pacman, maybe I'll find the ISO with which these guys make it, and you go to any of the ISOs because it's all Pacman, right? And this is our code, raw. Control A, Control C, that's all we need. Control A, delete, Control find, F, save. That's it. Now, this one is for the repository, so making the ISO. We don't need this one. All the rest is cool. Repo third party, extra large, that's the guy, right? Let's ask an update again. Replace Faba icon by that one. Yeah, sure. Mocha, okay, cool. Forgot about those changes. Dropbox from 88 to 121. What a jump. Okay, NSYNC 3033. Okay. Mocha theme, just a name change it seems, and Spotify is probably also gonna be quite the jump. And there we go. Already we've solved a few of these things that are up here. And those are the big guys. You see how long it takes to download. Those are the most interesting packages. And what am I talking about, Eric? Well, go and have a look at PAMIC. PAMIC, categories, repositories, extra large. Which packages can you download? Dropbox, look at the size, relevance size. 1 gigabyte, oh my god. WPS Office, only Office, 858. Open Office, 400. InSync, 300. Mailspring, oh my god, right? The big guys are here. The guys, let's scroll through them so you see the names. At least that. They're all here. Very important, interesting packages. The big guys. So that's that. Now we do an up all again. And you analyze, do I need this, do I need that, and so on. Don't see anything interesting for me, except I've installed the snapshot, so the beta version of it. So for me, everything can just be deleted, except, well, yeah, this one too, because we went to pamac all. Sudo pacman -s pamac all. And it's in conflict. Of course it's conflict. It's the same thing, but with snapd and snap and the other one, it just flatpak, that's it. So done. That's already one less in the list there. All right. I'm just gonna ask here the guys here to set the sound here. Voila, that should be better. Less sound through the walls. A little bit maybe, that's okay. I'm in somebody else's house, right? Vivaldi. That would be my choice. And it will say nothing. Okay, I can have the Vivaldi snapshot together with the other one. I didn't know that was possible. Okay, snapshot, you're out. Vivaldi is in. Up all. What else? I believe TeamViewer is here. i3 caps next. We used to have back in the days i3 caps next. True. So we switched around to i3 caps, just the simple caps, which was good enough for us. Et voila. So that's changed. What else? AOR vote is a little bit silly, so we just threw it out. Minus our vote. Voila. Up all. Electron 4. Nobody needs Electron 4. So go back and minus S minus R. Electron 4. Lip Magic 6 can also be thrown out. Sudo pacman minus R. We had to remove it, I think, weeks ago, and not that long a time ago, if I remember correctly. Which one? The minus R Qt5 style plugins can go as well. So if pacman doesn't say anything, it's just this, right? It doesn't bother any of the packages on your system. It just doesn't care. It's just a package that's not used, basically. This one, oops, sudo pacman minus remove Mozilla. That's gone. Python to curl, sudo pacman minus remove Python to curl to, and then pycurl. That one, no complaints. Opal. What else? Getting there. Vivaldi. Whoa, don't start building. Xorg font utils. I think they've renamed it. My memory serves me. Xorg font utils. Font utils. That's it. Yeah. Xorg font util without an S and the other one with an S. That's it. Up all. Almost there. Oh, stop. TeamViewer. Sudo pacman, that can go just pacman minus S TeamViewer, because I think it's one of our bigger packages, no? ArcoLinux TeamViewer. Since it's that difficult to set everything up, we've made a package to automatically set everything up so it's no frustration installation like our Steam package, and enabling all the servers and all that, so it's working out of the box, right? That's how I like it. No frustrations, just done. And what else? Vivaldi. I thought we had Control C, yeah. Sudo pacman minus S Vivaldi. What can we install? Those guys are the ones we want that's for YouTube, and that's for Netflix, not Paldi White. Fine, that's it. Oh yeah, and then the conflict thing, yes, of course, you say remove. Switch one with the other. And these are all things I can just delete. So packages, so these are AOR packages. He thinks there are AOR packages. They're not. They're ArcoLinux OB logout themes. Git, we're not using it anymore. Slim, we're not using it anymore. All the wallpapers we've installed, wallpapers, still here. I can keep it. It's just not on the AOR. It's from us. So here it starts where I can actually see if I can get rid of anything. And these things are an orphan, so nobody's going to maintain it for the moment anyway. But if you don't mind, you can leave everything in. Doesn't really matter, because I don't want to make the movie or the video a bit too long. In the meantime, just to be sure, let's have a look. Control H, bin, stay rolling. These are all wrong, guys. 2018, 19, 20, 21. Okay, scal. If I type scal, nothing should happen. And everything should be already here, because we did already a scal. And in main, we have here the keys, you see? Get the signing keys in from ArcoLinux. So we did not have that, so we found another way to get it in. But this is one of the ways to do it as well. But, right, this was a very old computer. And now it's a very new computer. Simple as that. Updating. Don't believe people who say you have to update ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux or any Linux every day, every single day, because it's gonna break. Nope. This is proof. There are many videos out there. There's proof, just proof. It just works. And all you require is knowledge. So I clearly want to stop the video. I have to be with my family. But the bin is something I should take a look at, right? If it's a long time ago, I say, okay, what changed between this version and that version and that version? But in essence, it's unimportant. If you like what you have now, that's good. Because all what we've done here is follow what's on the ISO. So if we have a release in, let's say, July, here in July, and we decided to add PAMAC all, or remove Bubata cursor, or add this and remove that, that's all. Choices. We've made choices, and we reflect what we do on our ISO on our system. So you stay rolling, in a sense. That's the idea. You don't need to reinstall anything, you just roll. And here we remove this package, and we remove Quantum Theme Arc, and then we are going to install Theme Arc, so another name. We have created our own Quantum Theme Arc, because the one from the AOR was not good. So we created a new one, ArcoLinux Quantum Theme Arc. And so we make choices all the time, and that's in there. And when you do a clean install, it's gonna be in there. There's no way around it. It's gonna be in there. It's gonna be in the etc and the user share and so on. And if you want to follow it, you can follow it, and it's just a choice, like changing the name here, Bubata cursor name, improving Pacman it seems. And that's the Pacman we copy pasted. Remember that the Pacman, that we had to change all these things? But at that point in time, when this PC was created, that particular script did not exist yet. So I had to go and find it, of course, on the internet. Everything is on the internet. We share our knowledge, is there. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna spend my time with my family. Cheers.